Question 27 says if m varies inversely as the square of n. This is actually a variation question. Find the formula connecting m and n given that m is 2 and n is half. Now we're looking for the formula connecting them. This is a straight question. M varies inversely. That's inversely will be 1 over as the square of n. That's square of n, n squared, n to the power of 2. This is the variation representation. So we have m equals, when we're introducing an equals to sign and changing the variation sign into an equals to sign, we introduce a constant. We can call our constant k times 1 over n squared. Now the k multiplies the other value on the other side, which is 1 over n squared. Now what we're doing next is we're trying to find the value of k. K is a constant, and with the value of m as 2 and n as half, we can find k, which is a constant. So we insert the value of m and the value of n and find our k. So we have, since our m is 2, we have 2 equals k times 1 over, the value of your n is half, so you have to be careful here. This is half all squared because it's n squared and n is half, so it's half all squared. So we have it as this. Then it's just mathematics all the way. So we have 2 equals k times 1 over, this square affects both the 1 and the 2, and since it's division, we can give them their separate powers. That's power of 2, so we can have it as 1 squared over 2 squared. So we have 2 equals k times 1 over, don't be freaked out by this form of fraction where you have 1 over another number over another number. Don't be worried about that. It's actually very easy. So we have 1 squared. 1 squared is 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So we have, this is 1 over, this is 2 squared. 2 squared is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So this is 4. Now remember, this was one entity and we give them their separate squared. So it's best you work with it in its form. Come to the next line. We have 2 equals k times 1. This 1 and this dividing line and this fraction came in together, so divided by, change it to dividing line, 1 over 4, because this 1 is linked to this 1 over 4 by this dividing sign. So it's 1 divided by 1 over 4, so you can put it in this form, changing the dividing sign into this form of dividing sign to make your work easy. We go on and say 2 equals k times 1. Then we turn the dividing sign into multiplication, that's times. And when you turn the dividing sign into multiplication, you switch the fraction behind. So 4 comes on top and 1 goes below. So we have it 4 over 1. The numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. So we have it like this. So you have 2 equals k times 1 times 4 divided by 1 is 4. So we have here as 4. Then we have 2 equals k. Then you have 1 times 4, that's 4. At this point, since we're looking for k, we don't need to multiply k times 4. We just divide both sides by 4. We divide this by 4, this by 4. So 4 cancels 4. Then 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Then it means half equals k, or k is half. We found the constant of this question to be half. We go back and insert it into the original equation. Now we know our k equals half, and our original equation is m equals k times 1 over n squared. Now we write m, because the constant is the only constant thing here. The m can change, and once the m changes, it affects the n. So the k never changes, the k doesn't change. So we have m equals, to create the standard equation, the value of your k is half, equals half times 1 over n squared. M equals, this is just simply multiplying fractions. 1 times 1 is 1 over 2 times n squared is 2n squared. Our answer is therefore m equals 1 over 2n squared. The answer to question 27 is E, which is m equals 1 over 2n squared.